Hi, I'm Ross, a Build.com project expert. Welcome to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Our question today comes from Justin. Justin writes, what's the best way to hang pendant lights over a kitchen island? That's a great question, Justin. Pendant lights can add style and function to almost any room in your home. They're a popular choice for kitchens as a great design element, and they can provide task lighting over kitchen islands and sinks. So what exactly is a pendant light? Pendant lights are fixtures that hang down from the ceiling by either a cord, chain, or metal rod. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and styles, and depending on the space they're hung in, pendants can be installed individually or in groups of 2, 3, or even more. When you're shopping for pendant lights, style will probably be your first consideration. You can shop by shape, finish, and decor style to narrow down your options. Once you know what look you're trying to achieve, it's time to consider the size of the fixture. Let's go into our kitchen set to learn more. All right, we're here in the Build.com kitchen set, and the first things we want to consider are the overall size of the kitchen and the length of the island that your pendants will be hanging over. There are 3 different size categories for pendants. First, mini pendants measure no more than 10 inches across. Medium pendants are between 10 and 20 inches across, and large pendants are more than 20 inches across. For this project, we chose a pair of 12-inch pendants, and they look perfect with this modern design. To get the right look, it's important to space the pendants correctly and hang them at the proper height. So grab your tape measure and let's get started. First, find the center of whatever the pendants will be hanging above, like an island, bar, or sink. That will be your reference point for positioning the lights. You'll be spacing the pendants evenly over the island. If you're hanging an odd number of pendants, usually 3, center the middle pendant over the island, then measure out so the other 2 are evenly spaced. If you're hanging an even number of pendants, space them out evenly over the island. You'll measure out from the center of the island to determine where to evenly space them. Finally, transfer the measurements to the ceiling. A laser level is really handy for this step, or you can use a plumb line. Now your electrician can install electrical boxes for your new fixtures. Once the new electrical boxes are installed, it's time to decide how high to hang the new pendants. The distance between the countertop and the bottom of the fixture will typically be between 30 and 34 inches. Choose the height that looks best, but remember, you don't want the pendants to hang so low that they obstruct your view or cause you to look directly into a light bulb. To learn more about selecting the right size, shape, and style, check out our pendant buying guide by clicking the link below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And tune in next time when we answer a new question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching.